What equipment do you need for sandy beach birding? If you are excited about birding on sandy beaches, you will want to make sure you have the right equipment. This will help you observe and identify shorebirds and other coastal species while respecting their habitat. Let's break down the essentials you will need for a successful sandy beach birding experience. First and foremost, a good pair of binoculars is essential. Look for binoculars with a magnification of 8 to 10 times. This range provides a stable and wide field of view, perfect for spotting shorebirds like sandpipers, plovers, and willets from a distance. Next, consider bringing a field guide or a reliable bird identification application. These resources are helpful for identifying birds by their size, shape, plumage patterns, and behaviors. Shorebirds can have subtle differences, especially in their non-breeding plumage, so having a guide is important for accurate identification. You should also carry a notebook and pen or a digital device to record your observations. Jotting down the species you see, their behaviors, and the locations can help you track patterns and improve your identification skills over time. A camera with a zoom lens or even your smartphone can be a great addition. Taking photographs allows you to capture details like wing patterns and bill shapes without getting too close to the birds. This can assist with identification later and is also a fun way to share your sightings. Comfortable and weather-appropriate clothing is a must. Wear sturdy shoes or sandals that are suitable for walking on sand. Sun protection is also important since beaches often have little shade. Hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen will help keep you safe from the sun. Don't forget to bring water and snacks to stay hydrated and energized during your birding sessions. Longer outings can be tiring, so having refreshments on hand is a good idea. If you want to enhance your experience further, consider optional equipment. A spotting scope mounted on a tripod can provide higher magnification for distant views of birds on the water or far along the shore. A portable chair or mat can be useful for sitting quietly and observing birds without causing disturbance. Additionally, an audio recorder or a bird call application can help you listen for and record bird calls, which can be beneficial for identifying vocal species like willets or sandpipers. All of this equipment helps you observe birds without intruding on their natural behaviors. Binoculars and scopes allow you to watch from a distance, while field guides and apps help you recognize the unique features of each bird. Proper clothing and respectful distance minimize disruption to their habitats. When you are prepared with the right gear, sandy beach birding can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Happy birding!